Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to split side-by-side video effect on Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Adobe Premiere Pro, and now from here, so we can do the split side-by-side video effect. All we have to do is first import our footages into our timeline, just like this one. And I'm gonna make this the same size since I want them to start and end at the same duration. So right here, so we have this and we have this at the bottom right here. So most of you would probably say that to make the side by side, we simply need to go and move it just like this one. But as you can see, it's not the way that we want it. We want the subject to be visible still on this half video. So what we're gonna do is that we're simply gonna go and put the subject here. And what I usually like to do so that I can split the video in the center as much as possible is that I use this ruler right here. As you can see, we have our ruler and we have 180, right? We have 180 right here, 180, maybe we can make that smaller. And I add a guideline right here. So I'm gonna go here. And if you can see the ruler or the guides right here, you simply need to go into in the view, and go make sure that this is checked, show guides and rulers right here. And for this one, I'm just gonna go and hide this right here. I'm gonna make this right here. So the value of this ruler is about just this one. So I'm gonna cut this in half. So it's gonna be on this one. So 3 and half of 1800 is 900. 900, so it's probably about this right here. Since it's 1,000 right here, so the middle is 900, and then I'm gonna go a bit right here. So yeah, I think this is probably right. And as you can see, it's not a perfect in the center, but you get the gist. I don't really need a perfect one, but if you want a really perfect in side by side, like there is a perfect center right there, then you can go and make a title and you have the perfect, you have the option right here to make it center, and you can find it like that. So in this case, let's move on with this one. So we're gonna crop this because this is the correct way instead of just moving this. So we're gonna go into effects and then crop right here, and make sure you have this right here and drag this into your on the top video right here. Since this one is at the top, so I'm gonna drag it to this one, and I'm simply gonna go and crop it right just like this one, just like that. And yep, maybe I can go and expand this so I can use the slider right here. This is more convenient, so I can easily slide it right there. As you can see, it's now in half right there. And as you can see, but this video is not showing really the subject because this video is just a subject walking right here. But if you want to adjust this, and you can just simply drag it. Now you can just change the position right here. You don't need to crop this anymore because the top video is already cropped and it's already covering the other half of this one, so it's fine. So all you have to do is click on the bottom video if you want to adjust the position, just like this, the slider for the x-axis, and then you have it right here. And then when you play it, it's like this. So yeah, that is basically how you can crop your video and make it split side-by-side effect on Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.